If you are travelling to New Zealand, you'll be asked to do your bit to help keep our communities safe from COVID-19 by isolating for 2 weeks in secure accommodation.
Here we have the kitchen where all the meals get prepared. The meals here have been really awesome. What they do on a daily basis is just serve breakfast, lunch and dinner to all the guests and to all the staff members.
What's in the box?
Kellogg's cornflakes.
Step 1. Create an individual or family account. Step 2. Hold your isolation accommodation using our website. Step 3. Book flights and confirm your arrival dates. Step 4. Print or download your voucher.
Nevertheless.
No, shut up.
Visit allocation.miq.govt.nz now to find out more and book yours.